how you doing? Thank you so much for coming again to my channel. Yes, I'm at work, and today, God, I don't know how to tell you, but yes, today I've made such a bold move of resigning. Yes, resigning. Like, I've decided to leave this place. Like, I did it 30 minutes ago. I just sent an email to my boss and copied the HR that I'm going to leave. Like, I'm leaving my current employer. So let me just take you back a little bit. During my birthday trip, when I went to Watamu, part of my main reason, apart from celebrating my birthday, was to come up with my 2019 plan. And I had 8 things that were listed on my 2019, and already I've done 3. The 4th one is this one that I'm talking about, resigning and leaving my current employer. I'm sure by now you're getting a little bit confused because the last videos that I've been sharing with you are of me at workplace, enjoying everything at work, and just telling everyone this is the right place for you to work. And yeah, that's true. You saw this happy Christine, which is very true, because I was very happy. Like, I was really happy in terms of the people at work. You know, sometimes it's not really the work, but it's the people at work. So they used to make me happy because we used to do different activities together, which made sense and make me happy. And you know, I'm more happy when I'm using my energy, like my physical energy, or trying to make a difference in someone's life, which is what I'm going to do out there. I'm leaving this particular place. I'm leaving this salary that I've been getting to go to no salary and just try to live my dream. I am very thankful to this particular employer, for they taught me quite a number of things. Like, this is a marketing company, and I was able to learn how to present myself, do proposals, go out there and pitch, which is very good because I'm going to use it in my own company, like, which is it's a good thing, and I'm very, very grateful for, and I thank them so much for giving me the chance to do that. So this is going to be my last month here. Hopefully, I'll have a meeting with my boss or the HR, because I haven't seen them yet, but yeah, I'll let you know how it goes when my boss comes in. I just want to go and follow everything that my heart wants, like follow my heart desires. I know it's a little bit scary, but I'm ready to face the future. I'm ready to fall down, pick it up again, and just build it until, you know, just work every single day and commit myself to building. So I will take you with me to the future, and I'll show you the things that I'm planning to do.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the star burn tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Sinto se só ela é coma. Hey, sugar vaccine. Hey, kutu.
What was that?
I'll go out.
Like how up?
Down. Yeah.
a nice song.
What do you expect? Bongo, bongo, what I will make. Yes, I know cause I am bongo, what's go make. Watch yourself, see you're very confusing. Mzuka kuruga lege kwenye puzi. I'm choosy, no excuse. Kasha yeto kila siku kama vile movie. Tufikiria vita kali ujuaji. Walikuto natalikia watu jani. Subiria ya chini ya mnazi. Mwelewesha shizi utajipa kazi. Funga mkanda, masada kama. Mama ufate nyayo uchane msama. Wasu wa myama, wasu wa anga. Sema gasha huwa kama karasa. Shata muziki, acha maneno weka muziki. Ukiwa sapi wa hapi wa juu ukiwa chini piga muziki. Salina muziki, acha maneno weka muziki. Ukiwa unachopenda, nitaka kucheza cheza muziki. Natamani tupotele kwenye map. Kwenye kage, tule tap tap. Kala doja, we don't stop. Don't stop, we don't stop. Natamani tupotele kwenye map. Kwenye kage, tule tap tap. Kala doja, we don't stop. We don't stop. Hey! Go back!
Good morning, my good people. So something funny. You know, I recorded this clip like the first time, and I'm using my phone to record. And when you're using your phone, most of the time it's good when you use the back camera. So I just put my phone over there and then I was recording. But funny enough, it was on a selfie mode, so it was just recording what was on the other side and not me. So I did like a whole talk and telling you guys everything, but it doesn't have to repeat. So I had a meeting with my boss about my resignation. And he was a little bit upset. In fact, he was telling me that he could not understand why I didn't meet him before. But let me just ask you, would you have a meeting with your boss discussing that you want to leave the company? Would you do that? Would you? Okay. So of course, to me, I don't think that is something. I've resigned like in almost all my employments, but I've never had a meeting with my boss telling any of my bosses telling them that I'm leaving the company. Usually just send the letter and then we have the meeting, the discussion later. The weather looks very promising outside. Hi guys, some people have asked me why I'm actually on YouTube and my reason for being here. I'll just share a little because I have quite a number, but my main reason for being here is to make a difference in someone's life. And how I'm going to do it is by showing you guys what I do with my life, like when I'm at work. Someone once said that, I won't mention who, but someone said that there's nothing interesting at work to vlog about. So I think where I work, there's so much, and even maybe you, there's so much that you can actually vlog about, like the different activities that we usually have at work. It's very, very, very fun. The sun is so hot. Wow. Thank God for my glasses. Hakika naona nasikia njaa.
Utende tukule.
This is Stephanie.
Hi.
Stephanie is one of the people who also made me do this, and
there's the person who's always behind the camera. She's the tallest one we have here, by the way. But you met Carol in my first video when you went for yoga. She's very flexible. Do you want to see Carol's moves?
Yes, give us something.
Thank you so much for watching, and see you again next time.